The Xiaomi 13 Pro is equipped with top-tier specs, including a spectacular display, first-rate hardware, and even an excellent camera setup to compete with the greatest 2023 Android flagships. Will it be sufficient to compete with the newest and most potent iPhones, though? The answer is yes, even if Xiaomi is no longer known for producing cheap smartphones. But which of the two companies is really the greatest for you and everyone else with a large amount of money at your disposal? Through this comparison of the key features of the Xiaomi 13 Pro versus Apple iPhone 14 Pro, we hope to help you learn more. With the exception of the display and battery, which are larger on the Pro Max model, everything discussed in this comparison regarding the iPhone also applies to the iPhone 14 model. The design of the iPhone 14 Pro is absolutely iconic. Since the release of the iPhone X, it is the first iPhone to do away with the unsightly notch. The dynamic island, which is effectively a pill-shaped punch hole and serves as a secondary display to highlight important information, replaces the notch. The iPhone 14 Pro also features superior water resistance and excellent build quality, with a glass back and a stainless steel frame. It is protected against damage by its IP68 certification and can withstand submersion up to 6 meters deep. The Xiaomi 13 Pro still has a fantastic design, though. One of the first waterproof Xiaomi phones with the IP68 certification, it boasts a curved screen on the sides, a unique color option, and a ceramic rear side. On paper, the Xiaomi 13 Pro's display appears to be superior to that of the iPhone 14 Pro. However, if you look closer, you'll see that the iPhone 14 Pro has excellent color reproduction, making it a highly valuable display. The Xiaomi 13 Pro's display specifications, however, will be listed since they appear to be more spectacular. It has a larger panel with a diagonal of 6.73 inches and OLED technology that can display up to 1 billion colors. It also has an in-display fingerprint reader, a Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, support for Dolby Vision, LTPO technology, and HDR10 Plus certification. The Super Retina XDR OLED display of the iPhone 14 Pro measures 6.1 inches diagonally, with a Full HD Plus resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, is HDR10 certified, and supports Dolby Vision. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has unquestionably superior hardware, but the iPhone 14 Pro is truly on par with the Xiaomi 13 Pro, thanks to incredible iOS operating system optimization. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, along with up to 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of UFS 4.0 native storage, power the new Xiaomi flagship. The Apple A16 Bionic CPU, 6 gigs of RAM, and up to 1 TB of native storage power the iPhone 14 Pro. The internal storage here is what differentiates. Of course, the operating systems are different. iOS 16 and Android 13, customized by MIUI 14. One of the best camera phones ever made is the Xiaomi 13 Pro, which has a more intriguing design than the iPhone 14 Pro. A 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with 3.2x optical zoom, and a 50.3 megapixels main sensor with optical image stabilization make up the triple back camera that was jointly developed with Leica. Large 1-inch Sony IMX989 serves as the primary sensor. With a battery size of 5000 mAh, the Xiaomi 13 Pro has a larger battery than the iPhone 14 Pro, but iOS optimization enables the iPhone 14 Pro to guarantee a similar battery life. However, thanks to 120-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, the Xiaomi 13 Pro charges much more quickly. The Xiaomi 13 Pro costs at least $900, while the iPhone 14 Pro starts at $1,000. Prices vary depending on the market. Which one would you choose? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.